This is your AFN Misawa News Break.
Buses arrive at Misawa's drawn range and their passengers file out. These 400 or so spectators have taken some time away from their jobs to witness the 35th Fighter Wing in action.
So what we have today is Range Day, which is a great opportunity for all the members of the Wild Weasel Wing, as well as our partners here, the JASDAP partners and our joint partners, and family and friends to come out and see the mission from the point of execution.
Range Day consisted of live exhibitions, from the CH-47 helicopter and F-16 demonstrations to range tours and EOD equipment demos.
Dropping bombs, doing this live strafing events, all exciting stuff that we get to practice every day. A lot of effort goes into that. This is an opportunity for folks to come out and see it.
For many of the spectators, this was the first time they had ever seen the capabilities of these aircraft up close and in person.
I'm pharmacy, and we don't get to see things like that very often. I've actually never participated in a range day before, so it was really neat coming out here, seeing the JASDAP helicopters, seeing our planes out there, the F-16s and the bombs that they dropped. That was amazing.
The event also included a barbecue and plenty of activities for families between exhibitions, none of which would have been possible without help from the base community.
I'd just like to thank all the volunteers that helped out and a lot of the agencies on base. You know, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of energy to put an event like this together, even though it's only a 5-hour event. So I really appreciate that.
The coordination and planning added up to about a month of work, which paid off, and this year's Range Day went off without a hitch. Petty Officer Ben Larscheid, Misawa Air Base, Japan.